Getting your business to the $1 million mark was hard enough. What matters to you now is how you get it beyond. You have a vision for your business, and the vision doesn't include you working in the business for the rest of your life. You need to be free to CEO. You need to be free to lead to this vision that was in your mind when you created the offering, the product, the service that impacts the lives of the people you sell to. How do you do that? How do you do that and experience repeatable revenue, scalable revenue? The word scale is overused. You're not scaling if you can't predict growth. And that's what this channel exists to help you do. Blunt on Business is my creation as a place where CEOs, founders, seed stage, Series A stage companies who you've got a kick-ass offering. You have no idea how to install the systems that will empower the business to become a business. The mindset that it took you to get to that $2, that $4, that $6 million mark is not the mindset you require to get to 50. You and I know it. It's okay. Blunt on Business exists for the sole purpose of you having a place every week live to go and get the insight you need. Ask whatever question you want. I'm going to answer it or find the answer for you if I don't know it, because I want to help. I'm a B2B professional with 27 years experience, $500 million in deals under my belt. And this is not something I'm doing for money. This is something I'm doing because I want to see more American businesses experience more success. And you can't do that if you're stressed the hell out, confused, stifled, enjoying stagnant revenue. You've plateaued. You know what happens after a plateau? Revenue starts turning downward. You can't afford that. That's not an option for you. Blunt on Business is where I share how CEOs enable their sales departments, enable their marketing departments to align to more successfully enable your business to grow. Then we can talk about scaling. It's a cute cliche, but you don't do cute. Your accountant can't count cute unless you're selling fluffy teddy bears. I'm Rich Laster with GrowExpand.com, the Blunt on Business podcast. This entire YouTube channel is for you. Please jump in the comments. Tell me what you want to hear more of. Go through the videos. I want to know what challenges you're facing. I will speak to them. If not here in our blog, if not there, directly back to you. Because if I'm not helping, I need to be out of the way. I hope you tune in, subscribe, and tell a friend.